I feel like I have to preface all these videos by saying I've never once thrown or abused a Pro Controller. I've had 4 of them, 3 of which broke to stick drift, and, you know, they also had other issues, but this one didn't break the stick drift. This one has a special issue. To all the 8-year-olds who really do think I break my controllers and abuse them, how do you hit a controller and give it stick drift? Never stopped to think about that, did you? Yeah. You're fucking retarded. Today we'll be talking about my busted-ass Razer Wolverine Ultimate and what I'm going to be replacing it with. I also think I figured out why they continue to break on me. It's kind of an obvious issue. I don't know why I didn't see it before. But we'll be talking about all that in today's video, so if you guys do go on to enjoy and you are new, please be sure to subscribe. We're trying to hit 10K before the end of the year. Thank you. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. So, you hear that? It's been working weird for a while. And by working weird, I mean it's been kind of finicky. Sometimes in game, it'd act like it was held down, so it would just fucking shoot and shoot and shoot and shoot and shoot. It's something that hadn't been going away, so I just assumed it was a bug Epic wasn't fixing because, spoiler alert, there's a lot of bugs they just choose not to fix. Nope, it was my controller. Which, by the way, for people who actually think I abuse my controllers, how the fuck would I break this? I would have to take my controller, turn it upside down, hit it on my desk without hitting the fucking cable here, or the Razer piece here, or the bumper here. Like, what? I can't make this shit up, dude. I don't break these things. These things just happen to fucking kill themselves. But I think I know why it happens. So, the packaging says that this was made in 2017. That was when the Razer Wolverine Ultimate came out. First generation controllers are the experimental phase. I actually pre-ordered my Elite Series 2 about 2.5 months before it came out, so when I got my Elite Series 2, it was the first batch. That's why my Elite Series 2 broke. It was one of the earlier versions before they started making modifications and tweaks to it so that it lasted longer. And unfortunately, the same thing keeps happening with my Wolverine Ultimates. I keep getting ones from 2017. My old one was from 2017 as well, and I think it's just the first generation, and that's why I keep getting fucking duds. That's my best guess, and I really hope it's true because I still love this controller and I'd highly recommend it. It's the only Pro controller on the market with 6 buttons that isn't $300, looking at you evil controllers, and I think it is a good controller. I really, really do. I think it's the best Pro controller on the market, but I think the first generations are just risky. And yeah, I'm not going to be replacing it with another Ultimate, if you could have guessed. I think I'm going to move on to something a little different. Not that much different, though. I think I'm going to try the Tournament Edition. A lot of people have been telling me to get the Tournament Edition, not only because, you know, they want a review or they want to see how it performs against the Ultimate, but just to see how the controller is and what it's like, and if it actually has any similarities to the Ultimate itself. Plus, I think it'd be really, really, really useful to get the knowledge of both the Ultimate and the Tournament Edition. Buying a Tournament Edition allows me to make an entirely separate set of videos. It also allows me to do another unboxing video. It allows me to do a lot of stuff with live streams. Plus, the controller is easier to learn. I hadn't even learned all 6 buttons on my Wolverine Ultimate at this point in time, so you can imagine that the Tournament Edition would probably end up making me the most cracked player on the planet. I certainly fucking hope so. Unfortunately, GameStop isn't open, so I'm gonna have to wait until they're open so I can go do this, because I did email Razer about this like 2 days ago. They haven't gotten back to me yet. I hope they do, and if they can, just get me another Ultimate. I might do that. If they're like, yeah, we'll send you another Ultimate, just send us that one, and we'll send you some good shit. Then I might just do that, but honestly, I kind of want to try the Tournament Edition, and if the Tournament Edition fails on me, I don't know. I really don't. Because I don't want to do the Power A Fusion Pro, you know, because I don't like the Elite paddles at all. At least not anymore. I don't know when GameStop will be open, so I don't know when I'm getting other controllers. I'll keep you guys posted. If you are new, subscribe and turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified when I do an unboxing of the Tournament Edition and a review. But that's to say I get a Tournament Edition. I might find something from, you know, this point in time till whenever GameStop opens that might be better. I don't know. But something different. Something that's not another Ultimate. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Because now I can't fucking do live streams unless I use my Tartarus, which I'm not that good on that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.